First of all, open your website. Now I have a error in established database. For fix this one, first open your cPanel and log in your cPanel username password. I log in Hotel Park in this username of cPanel and then password and login. After login, MySQL database and file manager. This is most important. Now I open file manager and try to find public HTML and click on public HTML. After that, WP configuration and edit. Click on edit and try to find the SQL database name. Database name, database user. This is a user and this is password and localhost. So for error, fix it. I change my username password. Click on change. After that, this is typing new password. Then click on change password. Now you have successfully set this username. And again go back. There is a database password. I put new password which I change and save and go back to website, then refresh it. Now database connection successfully. In this way you can fix error database connection. If you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel for new upcoming video.